Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to a new video. I apologize for my voice. I'm still a little bit sick. For those of you who saw my previous video about the reviews for the needles, you could hear that my voice was a little bit sick. I'm a little bit better, not as I wish, but well, as you can see outside, it's already warm out here because it's spring. So then we have to do now projects that are for the warm weather with yarns that are thin for this climate. So I'm going to be going to the stores and I need to choose the color for the next project, and I want you to help me choose the color for the next project. So I know that in some states of the US there is still cold, but where I'm at, like I'm showing you, it is super hot. So I don't feel like doing hats or scarves, but it's going to be a blouse that is very beautiful. So let's go ahead and choose the color. I think I'm going to go to about 2 stores, maybe 3. So we'll see later. So in the comments, please tell me what's the color that you most liked. So let's go. Come on. Okay guys, this is the first store, but I don't see a lot of colors that are for summer. There is a very beautiful colors, but it's more for winter. So in this section we have cotton. So I found this one, which is like rose or salmon color, but this one only has 50 grams, so it's quite small. So we would have to buy a lot of skeins for this. But well, we also have this one, which is a brick color. What else? We have this one that is cream colored. And then the most neutral one is this one in black. And like I said, in this cotton section, these are quite thick, and these are for winter, so they're very warm, which are not going to be useful for a blouse. So this would be the 4 colors of this brand and of this yarn. So I think we have other ones, so let's go and check them out. So we have these 4, which are the cake yarns, or they're pastel. And look at how beautiful these are. I like them a lot. There are shades of blue, green, and red. They're special for the season now. So for these 4, I like the first one most, the red one. So see, this is a blouse that will have long sleeves, and it has a beautiful design below the waist towards the legs. So it's going to be beautiful, but the problem that I see is that these have 3 colors. So these are the yarns that I found in this store. So now we're going to go to store number 2. As an extra commercial, I'm going to do a video with a giveaway soon of some needles. And look at this one, it's worth $38. And here we see that these are $14. So you can see that it is worth it to participate in the giveaway. So be attentive to it coming soon. Okay, so here we arrived to the section of the yarns. So this is a section for cotton, because we are looking for cotton yarns, but these are too thick. The colors are beautiful, but we need to keep looking. So these are also very thin, 100% cotton, but they're not going to be useful for their project. So let's see what else can we find here. These are useful for winter. So let's keep looking. Not these ones. Yay! We found some. But here there is this beautiful lady that doesn't let me get close because she's also looking at her own things. So let's go ahead and wait to see if she moves, and let's go ahead and look at other things. Let's look here. So let's see, this is a beautiful color, but it's 100% acrylic, so it would be too warm. Okay, well, the lady was not able to move, but I brought you all the way here so you could look at these. Look at how beautiful these are. Black and gray and teal and a little bit of cream. And this one is completely for spring. Look at the colors. Also look at this. These are light colors. And this is the rainbow, which is multicolored, which is beautiful. And the thickness is perfect, but the problem with this is that they have a few colors, and from my perspective, then the blouse is gonna come out beautiful in one color. So guys, this is the third and last store that I'm going to visit. So I had seen the yarns in this store, and I liked them, and I like them more because they're a single color. So with the blouse, I don't think that it would look well with the multicolored, although they would look beautiful. But I don't know, but I'm more inclined towards the single color, but you guys decide. That's why I did this video. So we almost reached the end of this video, but I want to tell you quickly that I had an accident a few days ago. And so I don't like to be driving too much, but I want you to see the effort that I'm doing to do this video for all of you. So let's go into the store. As you can see here, there's a better variety of colors. And the good thing is that they are a single color, which is perfect for the blouse that we are going to be doing. So let's look at them a little bit closer. So this one's blue, green, about turquoise, or this one's coral color, red, white, cream, gray, gray with black, black. And this is another brand where we have khaki, cream, white, blue, like a lead color, purple, and then these greens, yellow, salmon, coral, fuchsia, red. They also have red. So these are all the colors. So I'm going to take a picture so that you can see them. Well, guys, we are done. This was the last store. So now we're only missing for you to choose which color you like more for the blouse for the next project. It's a beautiful blouse. You can't miss out. And preferably choose a color that is a single color, with a yarn that is fresh and thin. Thank you for watching this video and accompanying me in this afternoon. Don't forget to give us likes, subscribe, and comment. That is everything. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you during the next video. Ciao, bye.